Team, it's Mr. Z, and today we're going to do another Math Minute. Remember, daily exercise, both physically and mentally, is how you're going to get stronger. Let's dive on in. So, today's Monday. What day will be 8 days from now? So, you can go ahead and count Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But I'm going to show you that a week is 7 days. So, I'm going to represent it as 7 plus 1. And the reason I'm doing that is in 7 days, it's going to be Monday. So in one more day, it will be Tuesday. Number 2, which letter is besides the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle. I draw my right angle in, and it is going to be on the opposite side, saying F is the hypotenuse. Number 3, writing an improper fraction is when you multiply the mixed number by the denominator and add it to the top. So I'm going to do 8 times 3 is 24. And I'm going to add 24 to 1 to get 25. So it's going to be 25. And as we add and subtract, the denominator stays the same. Number 4, which one is bigger? 0.55 or 1/2? So to figure this out, I'm going to go ahead and turn 1/2 into a decimal. Some of you might know that it is 50 cents. Half of a dollar is 50 cents. But if I wanted to do long division to do it, first in line, first in the box. 2 can't go into 1, so 2 goes into 1 0 times. 2 times 0 is 0, leading me to 1. Now, I'm going to add a decimal point. After I add that 0, bring it down. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Now, where did I add that decimal point? I have to make sure it's aligned right there. Hence why 1/2 is 0.5. I can add a 0 to help me compare it. 55 is definitely greater than 50 cents. Continuing, number 5, use plus or minus to complete the problem. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, and stays the same as 2. And then it goes 5, 5, and 25. 5 times 5 is 25, so it's going to be multiplication because the denominator's changed. Z, Y, X, W, it's going backwards in the alphabet. Remember, area is the number of squares inside of a figure. This is going to be a vocab word that you need to memorize. So, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And notice how I have a half and another half. And if I arrange them on top of each other, it's going to make a whole. So I'm going to say that the area of this is 7 units that are considered square. Remember, this is the same thing as saying 7 squares. 8. Shade the second column up and down of the grid in problem 7. So the second column will be like so. Number 9. I have to add some decimals, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure I write it vertically to assist me. And I'm going to go ahead and say 1.3. Put the decimal first, to the right of the decimal, left of the decimal. Again, right of the decimal, left of the decimal. Add the decimal first. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is going to be 9. 1, leading to a sum of 1.9. Likewise, again, I write it out. Then I put the decimal, look to the left, 0, look to the right. Decimal, look to the right, look to the left. Now, 8 plus 2 is going to be 10. So the 7, carry the 1, it's going to be 1.7. For this final one, I'm going to go ahead and multiply and use these problems that I know to calculate the product simply. For example, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Again, I'm going to do 4 times 5 first is 20. And it's going to end up 20 times 1 is just 20. 5 times 6 is going to be 30. But when I multiply it by a group of 0, it's going to just be 0. Hope this helped. That's it for